Want to turn your flat, static photos into stunning cinematic AI videos with just a few clicks? Today, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that using a powerful platform called Vivago AI. Vivago AI is an all-in-one AI agent designed to help you create high-quality videos and images simply by chatting or using their built-in creative tools. When you land on their homepage at vivago.ai, you're greeted by a clean, chat-like interface that asks, "Hi, what story do you want to tell today?" From there, you can easily upload your files, type a / command, and start generating. If you want to turn photos into videos, Vivago has two incredible features specifically built for this. First up is their reference to video tool. This allows you to take an image, add text prompts or even pose inputs, and generate highly controlled cinematic videos that actually respect your original photo. Another powerful option is the Keyframe to Motion Director. This tool is designed to interpolate static keyframes, like your photos, and turn them into fluid, physically coherent cinematic animations instantly. It's perfect if you want to bring a specific character or scene to life without losing the original details. Beyond photo to video, Vivago AI is packed with other creative tools. They have text to video for rendering more free cinematic clips from scratch, reference image to image for creating polished new compositions, and even specialized tools like the Story Ad Director to instantly generate high-converting cinematic product ads for TikTok and Reels. Now, you might be wondering what other creators think of this platform. To be completely honest, because this is a rapidly evolving tool, there are currently limited public user reviews available online. This means the best way to see if it fits your workflow is to jump in, try out the tools yourself, and see how well it handles your specific images and creative style. My final thoughts? Vivago AI offers an incredibly versatile suite of tools, especially if you want precise control over how your photos transition into motion. The chat-based interface makes it super easy to get started, even if you've never edited a video in your life. Head over to vivago.ai to try turning your first photo into an AI video today. If you found this quick walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and drop a comment below letting me know what you created.